guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do this look right here. This was inspired by Alia Bhatt's movie Raazi, and this was also requested by one of my subscribers. I love this look. This is the everyday no makeup look, and I would prefer this kind of look on any other makeup looks. So if you want to see how I do this look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start with my primer, and I'm using Maybelline Master Prime. For foundation, I'm mixing Maybelline Fit Me and MAC Face and Body Foundation. I want my base to have a little bit of coverage and to glow at the same time, like Alia's. So when these two foundations are mixed together, I have the perfect base. Now for concealer, I'm going to go for LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. To highlight my under eye area, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Now taking my Bharat and Dorris loose powder, I'm going to set my under eye area and also my face. For eyebrows, I'm going to take my Rimmel London Eyebrow Pencil. Now I'm going to set my eyebrows with this Miss Claire Colorlash All Day Wear Transparent Mascara. I'm going to take this Miss Claire Single Eyeshadow in the shade number 0215 and put it in the crease of my eyes and also in the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to take this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Classic Brown and just put this kind of very messily and very lightly on top of the lids, and I'm going to blend it with my finger. Move on to the other eye. Now I'm going to do the same to the bottom lash line. Now taking my Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black, I'm going to tight line my eyes. Now I'm going to use this Kajal close to my upper lash line and create a very thin line, and it will look like as if you have a thick lash line. You have thick lashes. Now for this look, I'm not going to use any false lashes. I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. And I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm going to use the Body Shop bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use Maybelline Color Show Blush, and it is in the shade Fresh Coral. For the highlighter, I'm going to use the Body Shop Shimmer Waves, and it is in the shade Coral. And now for lips, I'm going to use this Miss Claire Lip Liner. It is in the shade Floral Pink. I'm going to apply another Miss Claire Lip Liner. This one is in the shade Flare Pink on top of this. So guys, this is my finished makeup look. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please like this video, share this video, and comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I post videos thrice a week. Also click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Do not forget to check out my other videos, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.